Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both refreshing and important: the health risks and benefits of drinking beetroot juice. But before we dive deep into the video, please hit the subscription button if you're yet to do that. This will motivate me to do more videos like this. Beetroot juice can be a delicious addition to your diet, but it's essential to understand both sides of the story. We will be looking into 10 benefits and 10 health risks of including beetroot juice in your daily fresh juice recipes. Please ensure to always consult your doctor or health professionals if in doubt. Let's start by highlighting the 10 benefits of drinking beetroot juice. 1. Lowers blood pressure. Beetroot is rich in nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, helping blood vessels relax and improving circulation. 2. Boosts exercise performance. Beetroot enhances stamina and endurance by improving oxygen use. 3. Supports heart health. Beetroot reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, and inflammation. 4. Improves digestion, high in dietary fiber, aiding bowel movement and gut health. 5. Detoxifies the liver because beetroot contains betaine, which supports liver function and detoxification. 6. It enhances brain function. Because beetroot promote blood circulation, this in turn helps blood flow to the brain and may reduce cognitive decline. 7. Rich in antioxidants, contains betalains, which fight oxidative stress and chronic diseases. 8. Boosts immunity. Beetroot is packed with vitamin C, iron, and other minerals. This is further enhanced when you combine it with orange or any other citrus fruit. 9. Supports healthy skin, improves blood circulation, and provides nutrients that promote a natural glow. 10. May help fight anemia. High iron and folate content support red blood cell production. Please consult your doctor if you're experiencing the following symptoms whilst on your beetroot juice therapy. 1. Kidney stones risk. High oxalates may contribute to kidney stone formation. 2. Bacteria can turn urine and stool red or pink, which might alarm some people but is harmless. 3. Low blood pressure can excessively lower blood pressure in those already on medication. 4. Kidney problems. Not advisable in people with kidney disease due to excess potassium. 5. Allergic reactions, rare but may cause rashes, itching, or hives. 6. Stomach upset. Overconsumption may lead to bloating, cramps, or diarrhea. 7. Blood sugar concerns. Natural sugars may spike blood sugar in diabetics if consumed in excess. 8. Interactions with medication, especially blood pressure or erectile dysfunction drugs due to nitrates. If you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, tell me why. 9. May cause iron overload in people with hemochromatosis, a rare condition. 10. Not ideal before surgery. Its blood pressure lowering effects may complicate anesthesia. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful and enlightening. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy and see you next time.